How to create a PNC bank account online. Hi there, in today's video I'll show you how to easily create a PNC bank account online, so let's walk through the process. Open your browser and go to pnc.com. On the homepage you'll find an option to open an account. Click on the Open an Account button to begin the registration process. PNC offers different account types such as checking, savings, and credit accounts, so select the type of account you want to open. You'll need to enter your name, address, date of birth, email, and social security number. Set up a name and password for easy and secure access to your PNC bank account, and you will use these two credentials to log into your account in the future, so make sure you write a strong password. For security, you may be asked to verify your identity by answering some security questions or submitting a photo ID. So to activate your account, you'll need to make an initial deposit, and you can do this using your existing bank account, debit card, or check. Review and accept the terms and conditions of PNC Bank, then click Submit to proceed. And after reviewing your details, submit your application, and once approved, you will receive confirmation and your account will be ready to use. And that's it, your PNC bank account is now set up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.